Best table saws, my honest reviews. I bought and tested these top table saws so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've spent countless hours working with these tools, and I'm here to share the nitty-gritty details of each one. Let's dive into my real experiences with these saws and figure out which ones are truly worth your time and investment.
Product number 1. Rui Tool Japanese Hand Saw. When I first got my hands on the Rui Tool Japanese hand saw, I was struck by its elegant design and lightweight construction. The 6-inch double-edged blade is perfect for both flush cuts and detailed finish work. I remember tackling a woodworking project that required precision. This saw allowed me to glide through hardwood effortlessly, thanks to the 17 TPI edge. The flexibility of the SK5 high-carbon steel blade meant I could make intricate cuts without worrying about breakage. As I worked through various types of wood, I found that the hardened 3-edged teeth really made a difference. They removed chips quickly and smoothly, leaving a clean edge that was ready for finishing. However, as much as I love the saw, it does require a bit of finesse. It's not as forgiving as a power tool when it comes to technique.
Product number 2. Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch single-bevel compound miter saw is a powerhouse. Right from the moment I plugged it in, the 15-amp motor revved up to deliver a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM. I was able to tackle some serious lumber with ease. The miter angles were a breeze to adjust, and the improved miter scale made it easy to hit those precise angles every time. I remember one weekend project where I had to cut a wide range of wood sizes. The 0 to 52 degree miter angle and 0 to 45 degree bevel range made it incredibly versatile. I found myself switching between different cuts seamlessly. However, what really stood out was its lightweight design. At just 24 pounds, it was simple to move from my garage to the backyard without breaking a sweat. Product number 3. Works Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table. I recently tried out the Works Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table, and let me tell you, this piece of equipment is a game changer for anyone who needs versatility in their workspace. The first time I set it up, I was impressed by how easy it was to unfold and get going. This isn't just a workbench, it pulls double duty as a sawhorse, which I found incredibly useful during a recent project involving heavy lumber. With a load-bearing capacity of 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, this table can handle just about anything you throw at it. The integrated clamping system was another feature that blew me away. I could easily secure my workpieces, allowing for more accurate cuts and less movement. Product number 4. The DeWalt 12-inch miter saw. The DeWalt 12-inch miter saw is a classic that lives up to its reputation. From the moment I unboxed it, I could feel the quality. The stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops allowed me to click into precise angles smoothly, making it a joy to work with. I vividly remember cutting 2x6 lumber at a 45-degree angle, and the tall sliding fence supported it effortlessly, giving me confidence in my cuts. The saw's bevels range from 0 to 48 degrees on one side and 0 to 3 degrees on the other, giving me flexibility for various projects. While the power is impressive, the weight, around 50 pounds, does make it less portable than some other models. But that weight also translates into stability, which is crucial when you're making those delicate cuts.
Product number 5. Skilled 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Last but definitely not least is the Skilled 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. This tool packs a powerful punch with its 15-amp motor, cranking out 4,800 RPM for quick and detailed cuts. When I first tested it, I was amazed at how smooth it felt cutting through 2x12 lumber at 90 degrees. The dual bevel feature, allowing cuts at both 48 degrees and 45 degrees in either direction, opened up a world of possibilities for my projects. What truly impressed me was the LED shadow line, which provided high-precision cuts, far better than a laser guide in my opinion. It illuminated my workspace perfectly, allowing me to see exactly where I was cutting. However, the saw is a bit heavier than some of its competitors, making it less ideal for those who need something easily transportable.
After testing these top table saws, I can confidently say that each has its strengths and caters to different needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, there's something here for you. Choose the one that fits your style, and happy woodworking!